How to buy Saucebook on Solana, step-by-step guide. This video is a complete, easy-to-follow tutorial on how anyone can buy Saucebook Token using Solana. By the end, viewers will feel confident purchasing and holding Saucebook securely. The first step is to set up a Solana wallet. Popular beginner-friendly options include Phantom, Solflare, or Trust Wallet. To install Phantom, visit phantom.app or download the app from an official app store. Click Create New Wallet and follow the steps. Copy and securely store the secret recovery phrase. This is critical for regaining access to the wallet if the password or device is lost. Next, the wallet needs Solana's native currency SOL. SOL can be bought within Phantom or from an exchange like Binance, Coinbase, or Kraken, and then sent to the wallet using the deposit address provided in the wallet app. Once funded, open a decentralized exchange such as DexScreener. Go to DexScreener.com, search for SCBK in the search box, or paste the official Saucebook contract address. Always check this address and the liquidity for security. Click here and you will be able to see the token buy button. Click on Buy and enter the amount of Solana you want to swap. Then click on Connect Wallet and continue. Review all details and confirm the transaction. Wait for a few seconds and tokens will appear immediately in the wallet balance once the swap is complete. To verify your tokens, check your wallet and transaction history. Always use official links and enable additional wallet security settings. Keep recovery phrases safe and never share them. Now you know how to buy Saucebook token using Solana. If you're facing any problems or want us to create a similar video for mobile users, let us know in the comments. For more guides and community resources, subscribe and join the upcoming spaces.